In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a beautiful funeral memorial video using Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a simple and meaningful way to honor a loved one using photos, gentle transitions, and PowerPoint's built-in export to video feature. You don't need any advanced editing software, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a finished memorial slideshow ready to share with family and friends. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and start with a blank presentation. To add your first photo, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Images group, click on Pictures. This will open the Insert Picture dialog box. From here, browse to the folder on your computer where you've saved the photos you want to use for the memorial video. Scroll down until you locate the image you'd like to use first. Click on the desired picture file, for example, an image named Jiffy, or any portrait of your loved one. Once selected, click Insert. The photo will now appear on your slide. You can click and drag the picture to adjust its position. Resize it by dragging the corner handles so it fits nicely on the slide. Take your time arranging the image so it looks centered and respectful. Next, let's add another slide for additional photos. Click on the Home tab at the top. Then click on New Slide and choose Blank, so you have a clean layout without text placeholders. With your new blank slide selected, click on the Insert tab again. Then click on Pictures. Browse again in the Insert Picture dialog box. Scroll down to locate another image you'd like to include. Click on the desired image file, for example, a file named Download, or any other meaningful photo. Click Insert and the image will appear on the slide. Again, drag the picture to adjust its position and resize it as needed. If you want to add multiple slides, you can quickly create them by pressing Ctrl and clicking to duplicate slides, or by continuing to click on New Slide and selecting Blank each time. Repeat the same process to insert more pictures for the memorial. This allows you to create a flowing slideshow that tells a story through images. Once your photos are added, you can enhance the presentation with transitions. Click on a slide, then go to the Transitions tab. Choose a gentle transition effect such as fade for a soft and respectful look. Adjust the duration if needed to control how long the transition lasts. Apply the transition to each slide, or click Apply to All if you want the same effect throughout the entire memorial video. After you've arranged all your slides and added transitions, it's time to turn your slideshow into a video file. Click on the Recording tab in PowerPoint, then click on Export to Video. You'll see options for video quality and timing. Choose your preferred quality, then click on Create Video. Select where you want to save the file on your computer, give it a meaningful name, and click Save. PowerPoint will now generate your memorial video, which you can share via email, USB drive, or play during a service. And that's how you create a funeral memorial video using PowerPoint in a simple and heartfelt way. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides just like this. Thank you for watching.